In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use GIFs on Instagram comments. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just get to the comments on some post, just like that. Now we can use GIF to comment on this post. To do that, we need to tap at that icon. It will show us some trending or popular GIFs. We can use any GIF from here just by tapping on it. Once you've done that, it will be immediately posted as our comment. Also in here we can search for a GIF. Let's say I want to find GIFs with flowers. I can enter flowers to the search box, and in this way I can find a GIF I like the most and then send it. That's basically how you can easily use GIFs on Instagram. However, if you don't see this icon over here, it probably means that you should update your Instagram app. So go to the App Store or Play Market if you are on an Android, search for Instagram, and then just check if this button says open. If it says update, just tap on it to get the latest Instagram app version, and then the GIF feature should appear.